Kids Corner! Woo! Hi guys!
Welcome to another week of Kids Corner!
We are so excited today.
Always, yes. So today we're going to be doing a fun project of making a
wind chime!
It's going to be awesome.
Yes.
Alright guys, for our materials today we have dowels that we've cut to about a foot in length. We've got some plastic beads here, all kinds of different color star-shaped ones, and we have metal rings.
Yes. And over here we have twine. You can see long pieces of twine. We have scissors to cut the twine. And we have some metal bells over here.
First thing you're going to want to do is cut your twine to the lengths you need it. So you're going to want 3 to 4 pieces that are about between 18 inches and 2 feet long.
Okay.
And then one piece that's probably about like 4 inches to tie our little metal piece.
All right, I will get that ready for you.
Cutting.
If you want to grab the scissors.
Okay, so let's cut a little piece to tie our metal ring on. So we just need a little bit. That's probably good. So that's our little piece for our metal ring. And then let's cut some pieces that are...
Think about that long.
See. We're going to fold them in half so you can look at...
Okay.
Yeah, right there.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Don't cut me.
I'll try not to.
Alright.
Alright.
So I'll give you your 4.
4 for me, 4 for you. Here's your dowel.
Alright.
Twine. Next step, you're going to take your dowel, your little tiny piece of twine, and tie your metal ring to the middle of it. So we can just do this by doing a couple of knots.
And you're going to want to center it.
Yeah, so. Just want to make it nice and tight so it doesn't move. And then you can cut off your little pieces with the scissors. These little extra pieces right here. Okay. So there's your first piece, and you can just kind of adjust it to the middle. Lovely.
Yes.
All right, and then you're going to take one of your pieces and wrap it around one side of your dowel. You can put, so we're going to do 4 each. So I'm going to put mine closer to the middle.
I'm going to do mine that way too.
And then our way out. And so you just fold it over, and we can either tie a knot here, or you can just leave it like this, and then just...
I'm going to tie mine in a knot just to show them a different way of using it.
Yeah. And you can get really creative with this. You can make knots all the way down. Like you can do like a couple beads and a couple knots, make it kind of more macrame looking. I think I'm just going to bead mine all the way down.
All right.
So I'm just going to start putting random beads on. And we got these beads at Michael's. They have lots of different plastic ones, so there's a lot to choose from, but we just got stars this time. And I'm just going to mix and match on here.
Okay.
Oh, that's kind of red, white, and blue. I think I'll make it a mixture of colors.
And we did make sure when you guys are buying these beads, whatever twine you're using, make sure the holes are big enough. Yeah. And you can kind of see these holes are really big in the beads, so try not to stay away from the ones that have the little skinny holes.
It'll be really hard to thread them otherwise.
Yeah. So for the bell, which is the last part at the end of the beaded string, I'm going to put him in just like this. I'm going to do them one at a time. Mine kind of got uneven because I did a few knots in mine, and it kind of made it uneven, which is fine. You can either cut off the excess twine, or you can kind of tuck it in.
Long pieces. There we go. There's the first one. Look how cute that is.
Yeah.
All right, and then you just continue on with your string until you've done all your pieces, and you'll be good to go.
Is he? He's walking? Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Yeah. I ain't one of those moms.
But still, that's exciting. Uh-oh. Well, I'm glad you told me that tonight.
Like,
Oh, look, he's walking, girl.
if Kevanie would catch up, we could.
I am done. I am cutting my twine.
Alright guys, here's our finished products. They're really easy. Again, like we said, you can make them longer, shorter, different lengths, different beads. You can really just use your imagination on them. So
Yes.
it's a lot of fun, a lot of creativity for this one.
Just keep in mind the way that she did hers. She didn't do the knots at the top.
So
If
they
you feel
do
like it,
move a
yeah,
little
if you
bit.
feel like it moves too much, add a little bead of glue at the top just to hold them in
glue,
spot. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, we hope you like this video. We're gonna go find a really cool tree to put these in so it can dangle all evening.
Yeah, and annoy people.
Yes. All right, guys. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Girl, I know, but I worked out this morning, and today was leg day, and this is not good for my sore legs.